calling for arrest of anybody. You know, I'm not a police officer. I'm not a prosecutor. People will look at the evidence. And, you know, in case of Mr. Oluomo, he has come out to say that he was actually referring to once Mama Chinedu or something like that. So there is a video that shows that. And that woman said, well, he was talking to me. And that we've been friends, or he's been customer for years. That he was talking to her. So, I mean, so I don't know. I don't know the facts. I don't know the facts. So, but people should examine the facts. And if in truth he has broken the law, of course he must pay for it. It's as simple as ABC. So it's not, but my point, which I want to make, because we all diminish this country when we actually exaggerate what happens. That's my point. My point is that you have an election where you have this number of polling units and you have less than 1% that has a problem. And we now make it look as if that 1% is more important than 99%. I think that's just outrageous.
Okay, well.
And we should not diminish our country and say the election is bad. No. This